In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Figma to Wix Studio plugin, 20 font and 26 guide. This plugin bridges your design and development workflow so you can bring your Figma designs into Wix Studio without rebuilding them by hand. We'll move from a prepared design to connecting your accounts to exporting and applying your styles, keeping everything accurate and consistent along the way. Start in Figma by making sure your website design is truly ready. Organize your frames, sections, and components clearly because Wix Studio reads those visual cues to structure your site. Consistent naming and tidy layers make a big difference in how cleanly things transfer. When you're set, look to the bottom center of your Figma workspace and click the action button. From there, open Plugins and Widgets. In the search bar, type Figma to Wix Studio, then open the plugin. With your file visible in the browser, copy the file's URL from the address bar and paste it into the plugin. This tells the tool exactly which design to reference, so double check you're copying the correct file link. Now, switch to Wix Studio. From your dashboard, open the main menu, go to Tools, and select Import from Figma. Click Connect and approve the permissions so Wix Studio can securely access your Figma files. This authorization step ensures your assets are pulled directly and safely with no manual uploads. If you're collaborating, make sure your Wix Studio role and Figma sharing settings allow access to the file you just linked. Head back to Figma to begin the export. In the plugin, click Start Export. When prompted, select the website design frame you want to bring over, then choose Export Styles. This action bundles your core visual system, colors, fonts, and layout choices, so they can be applied consistently in Wix Studio. Selecting the top level frame that represents your full page or site section helps the plugin capture the right scope. Return to Wix Studio and click Apply Styles. This applies the colors, typography, and layout preferences you defined in Figma to your live site environment, preserving visual fidelity and saving you from restyling everything later. Once applied, your site should reflect the same look and feel you designed. If the process takes a moment, that's normal. Keep a stable internet connection and confirm you've granted the necessary permissions on both sides. Following these steps streamlines the handoff from creative vision to a functional website, so you can focus on refining content and interactions instead of recreating design work. Thanks for watching, and enjoy building with a workflow that finally keeps design and development in sync.